Menteri Rangba ka Jala Meghalaya Conrad ke sangma uloong. Bompat yo Atiar ya ka kaiphod ka bakam. Bakala don ka jingpen kre dagi dekot ban penki biang ya ka seng kieng Atiar Garo National Liberation Army GNLA. Menteri Rangba uloong bakadai ka basngok khia bat undang ya kran halor ka ni bat katanat kampo yeng ka sarkar Jala kumjuru bat kibor pulet.
It's an internal report right now. I have not seen a copy of the report yet. These are assessments that are made time to time by all the different levels. So this is part of an exercise which is normally done. But I have not seen the report myself as of now. And within a couple of days we'll be calling and taking a internal kind of assessment on the situation. But without going through the report, I don't want to comment on it.
What the government, is the government concerned because government has to...
No, obviously government will be concerned at every level. And I'm not saying that I am concerned in the sense that we are worried or anything like that. But you must understand that as a government, we receive a lot of intel. And when the intel comes in, we have to filter out the intels and see which one has got any kind of actual weightage or not. So these procedures are very complicated. So sometimes out of 100, 200 reports, we suddenly find out that 1 or 2, 3 of them have some weightage. So it's difficult to say right now without seeing the report. But my point when I say concern, I mean to say that as a government, we don't take anything lightly.